Hello aspirants, welcome to Simplify TNPSC. நம்ம இன்னைக்கு 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் நியூ ஸ்கூல் புக்கில் இருந்து ஹெல்த் அண்ட் டிசீஸ் லெசனை 2 பார்ட்ஸாக பார்க்கலாம். பார்ட் 1ல் டோட்டலாக 20 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இருக்குது. இந்த ஹெல்த் அண்ட் டிசீஸ் டாப்பிக்கில் இருந்து 1 to 3 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் வரைக்கும் டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சியில் ப்ரீவியஸாக கேட்டிருக்காங்க. கண்டிப்பாக இந்த லெசன் ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். வீடியோவை ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் பாருங்கள். வாங்க நம்ம கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். First question. Which ministry introduced the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012? Option A, Ministry of Women and Child Development. Option B, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Option C, Ministry of Law and Justice. Option D, Ministry of Minority Affairs. Answer option A, Ministry of Women and Child Development. Second question. Consider the following statements. இந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா போக்சோ ஆக்டோட அப்ஜெக்டிவ்ஸு. 1. To protect children from the offenses of sexual assault, sexual harassment, pornography. To establish special courts for speedy trial of such offenses. It is not gender neutral. Which of the following statements is or correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 1 and 2 only. Option C, 2 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. Answer B, option 1 and 2 only. ஏன் 3 எலிமினேட் பண்ணோம்னா it is not gender neutral, it is gender neutral actually. Third question. The National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, NCPCR, was set up in option A, March 2007. Option B, March 2006. Option C, May 2007. Option D, May 2006. Answer option A, March 2007. Fourth question. The National Commission for Protection of Child Rights was set up under which act? Option A, Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2015. Option B, Commissions for Protection of Child Rights Act 2005. Option C, Immortal Trafficking Prevention Act. Option D, the Preconception and Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques Act 1994. Answer option B, Commissions for Protection of Child Rights Act 2005. Fifth question. Which one of the following is child helpline number? Option A, 1099. Option B, 1097. Option C, 1098. Option D, 1096. Answer option C, 1098. Sixth question. International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking is observed annually on option A, June 26. Option B, July 26. Option C, January 25. Option D, March 25. Answer June 26. Seventh question. When was Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act was introduced in? Option A 1975, option B 1995, option C 2005, option D 1985. Option D 1985, correct answer. Eighth question. In which year World Health Organization suggested the use of the term drug dependence in place of drug addiction or drug abuse? Option A 1994, option B 2004, option C 1996, option D 1984. Answer D 1984. Ninth question. Which of the following steps taken for drug de-addiction? 1. Detoxification. 2. Psychotherapy. 3. Counseling to family members. 4. Rehabilitation. Options A 1 and 4 only. Option B 1, 2 and 4 only. Option C 1, 3 and 4 only. Option D all. Answer option D all. 10th question. What is the scientific name of tobacco plant? A. Nicotiana rustica. B. Allium cepa. C. Nicotiana tobacum. D. Pyrus malus. Option A C only. Option B A and B only. Option C C and D only. Option D A and C only. Answer D Nicotiana rustica and Nicotiana tobacum. 11th question. Anti-Tobacco Act was passed on? Option A March 1st 2004. Option B April 1st 2004. Option C March 1st 2005. Option D May 1st 2004. Answer option D May 1st 2004. 12th question. World Anti-Tobacco Day or No Tobacco Day is observed on? Option A May 31st. Option B August 31st. Option C June 22nd. Option D July 22nd. Answer A May 31st. 13th question. Addiction to tobacco is due to dash an alkaloid present in it. Option A caffeine. Option B nicotine. Option C tomatine. Option D solanine. Answer option B nicotine. 14th question. World Health Organization projects that diabetes will be 7th leading cause of death by the year. Option A 2025. Option B 2030. Option C 2040. Option D 2024. Answer option B 2030. 15th question. Consider the following. According to WHO recommendation, diagnosis for confirming diabetes are: Statement 1. If the fasting blood glucose level is greater than 200 mg per ml. Statement 2. The random glucose level is greater than 140 mg per ml. Option A, 1 only. Option B, both are correct. Option C, 2 only. Option D, both are wrong. Answer option D, both are wrong. இது ஏன்னா ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் 1க்கு 140 mg per ml, ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் 2க்கு வந்துட்டு 200 mg per ml வரணும். 16th question. World Cancer Day is observed on option A, 4th February. Option B, 2nd October. Option C, 22nd July. Option D, 7th November. Answer option A, 4th February. 17th question. National Cancer Awareness Day is celebrated on option A, 9th November. Option B, 9th December. Option C, 7th November. Option D, 11th November. Answer option C, 7th November. 18th question. Who pioneered HIV research and treatment in India? Option A, Dr. Suniti Solomon. Option B, Dr. Rakesh Sharma. Option C, Dr. Muthulakshmi Reddy. Option D, Dr. V. Shanta. Answer option A, Dr. Suniti Solomon. 19th question. When was first evidence of HIV infection in India was found? Option A, 1965. Option B, 1975. Option C, 1985. Option D, 1995. Answer option C, 1985. 20th question. Where was the first Indian AIDS patient reported? Option A, Mumbai. Option B, Hyderabad. Option C, Chennai. Option D, Kolkata. Answer option C, Chennai. பார்ட் 1 வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.